Welcome to Business Live. I'm Mark Croskery in BL tonight. First up, we got Jetcon Trading. Not a stock that we talk about too often, not too many corporate action items here, but Jetcon Trading, some trading in shares here. You know, a director selling about roughly 553,000 shares, a little bit more, but you know, more or less 553,000 units. Next up, we got Salada Foods here, folks. So Salada Foods, they're coming out now with some notice, you know, to talk about, you know, the whole kind of, you know, event or, you know, court hearing with Jacra. We've been speaking about this recently on Business Live. So what they're saying here is that actually, you know, the hearing was on September 3rd, which was actually coincidentally election day. And what they're saying is that it got adjourned until September 10th. Now with Wisynco, similar to Jetcon, some trading in shares here, 500,000 shares being sold as well. So, you know, we'll see how this goes. But in this case, definitely probably some, you know, just profit taking here. The market, you know, with low interest rates in Jamaica, you know, 0.5% being maintained by the central bank. You know, we're seeing some trading in shares in some select stocks, whether it's connected parties, directors taking something off the table. Now, the big news here, Eppley Caribbean Property Fund taking a big splash here, you know, buying two, you know, well-known industrial assets, you know, in Kingston, Jamaica. So that's 105 to 107 Marcus Garvey Drive and 693 Spanish Town Road. We're going to talk more about this. You know, interesting stuff with the 693 Spanish Town Road. They're doing it with some equity partners, you know, where they say jointly and they're partners. So that's interesting stuff. You know, the parcels are somewhere between 3 and 4 acres and a lot of square footage. You know, it goes on to say Eppley, you know, for this specific company, you know, is now the owner of, you know, 670,000 square foot or more, you know, of real estate space between Jamaica, Barbados. So, you know, great to see. The company goes on to say that they really see, you know, opportunity in this space. Not easy to replace or replicate real estate. So we're going to carry some more news on this story. Now, last up, we're talking about this company here. So, you know, that's Tree of Knowledge, or, you know, a company from Canada, you know, which is also listed on the JSE. So interesting news here, talking about, you know, change of officers, also financial statements that are a bit late. That's for the December period last year, March this year, and June this year. But they do say they're going to get their second quarter out by October 13th. We're going to look into this story some more. I'm Mark Croskery. This is Business Live.